The Bodo community is the largest ethnic tribe residing in Assam, and in the heart of the Bodo community lies a tradition so vibrant and cherished that it breathes life into the entire northeast region once a year. The Bwisagu festival, also known as Bihu in Assamese, marks the beginning of the new year amidst the blossoming of spring. For 7 enchanting days in mid-April, the Bodo people immerse themselves in a whirlwind of festivities, setting aside their daily chores to revel in the joy of togetherness. From dawn till dusk, the air is filled with the infectious rhythm of dance, music, and laughter. The festivities kick off with Machao, a day dedicated to honoring the cattle, the lifeline of their agrarian society. Each animal is bathed ceremoniously in the nearest river, adorned with sacred markings and blessed with offerings of rice beer and turmeric. As the days progress, the celebrations take on different themes, from honoring men and dogs to swine, fowl, ducks, and finally welcoming relatives and friends with open arms. But Bwisagu is more than just merrymaking. It's a time of reflection and renewal. Homes are meticulously cleaned, ancestors are honored, and new clothes are donned as symbols of fresh beginning. At the heart of Bwisagu lies a deep reverence for tradition and community. The Bodo people believe in forgiveness and reconciliation as they exchange gifts, seek apologies, and offer prayers for a prosperous year ahead. Yet, amidst the festivities, there is a solemn reminder of the importance of peace and harmony. It is believed that quarrels during Bwisagu could lead to undesirable rebirths. This installs a profound respect for elders and a commitment to resolve conflicts amicably. As the sun sets on the final day of Bwisagu, the air is filled with gratitude and hope. With hearts full of love and blessings, the Bodo people bid farewell to the old year, embracing the dawn of a new beginning with open arms and joyous hearts. Even amidst changing times, the spirit of Bwisagu continues to remain untouched. While some chose to forego traditional practices, others dwelled into the spirit of camaraderie and generosity. Young boys and girls engage in the age-old tradition of Mairong Maginai, which means to collect alms to celebrate a communal feast. It is a testament to the enduring bonds of friendship and solidarity. For more such stories, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get updated with our new stories.